Hello everyone, this is Rashid Khan from LPM Public School, Gola Bazaar. Now, this video is for class 6, the chapter number 5 here is separation of a substances takes place, and the remaining chapter of this portion is the separating soluble solid from its solution. Separating soluble solid from liquid. How we can separate the solid from the liquid? Soluble solid we can say. So there are the two methods given as. First one is evaporation and second one is distillation. These two common methods are there for the separation of soluble solid from the liquid. How it can take place? This is the process by evaporation. Evaporation is what? Evaporation is the process by which the soluble solid gets separated from its liquid. What is the evaporation? Evaporation is the process in which the water gets converted into the water vapor when there is a certain heat takes place. It means if there is a heat, there is a water or liquid present, this liquid gets converted into the water vapors by applying the temperature in it. So, this water gets converted into the water vapor and rest of the solution, there is a solid form of material or the substance is remain there. Suppose करिए कि evaporation के process के through water convert हो जाता है water vapors में, या liquid कोई भी है वो वेपर्स के फॉर्म में चली जाती है और जो वेस्ट मटेरियल है वो रह जाता है एज अ सॉल्युबल सॉलिड, और लिक्विड वाटर वेपर के फॉर्म में क्या होता है, ऊपर की तरफ चले जाता है. तो ये जो बचा वो क्या बच रहा है, दैट इज अ सॉल्युबल सॉलिड है. और इस प्रोसेस को हम क्या कहते हैं, इवेपोरेशन, थ्रू विच द इवेपोरेशन वी कैन ऑब्टेन the dissolved solid or soluble solid from its liquid. So it is the process, the evaporation. Evaporation is the process by which the liquid material get converted into the vapor form. If there is a water, so it will get converted into the water vapors. And if it is so, there is a solid which is soluble that could not be moved forward or move upward. The rest of the material is remain there in the form of a solid, and it will be can just find or it will be obtained by the process of evaporation. How it will happen? This will happen due to why? Due to having a process of evaporation. The second one is distillation. Okay, the most common way, yes. For example, how it can be takes place? For example, when there is a solution of solid of a salt solution, it is in the form of a solid. So if there is a number or amount of a solids gather over there as the सी शोर, सी शोर के किनारे बहुत सारे सॉल्ट क्या होते हैं, सॉल्युबल सॉलिड के फॉर्म में, सॉल्युबल सॉलिड विद द लिक्विड क्या होते हैं, इकट्ठे होते हैं। फिर वहाँ पे क्या किया जाता है, उनको छोटे छोटे हाइव, छोटे छोटे क्या करते हैं, हाइव लगाते हैं या एक हिस्सा लगाया जाता है, छोटा छोटा पार्ट बना दिया जाता है और धीरे धीरे उनमें क्या होता है, इवेपोरेशन हैपन होते हैं। इवेपोरेशन होगा, सपोज करिए कि यहाँ पे क्या है, सॉल्ट का हाइव लग गया, छोटा सा हिस्सा है, छोटा पार्ट इधर रख दिया, एक छोटा पार्ट यहाँ पे है, एक छोटा पार्ट इधर है, फिर यहाँ पे है। What will happen actually? In this case, the water present in it in a form of moistures मॉइस्चर के फॉर्म में जो भी वाटर है, ये है मॉइस्चर का फॉर्म। मॉइस्चर के फॉर्म में क्या हो गए, वाटर प्रेजेंट है, वाटर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मॉइस्चर। मॉइस्चर के फॉर्म में हम लोग क्या है देखेंगे कि इसमें सॉल्ट में रहता है, और जब ये टेम्परेचर पर आता है तो क्या होगा, when there is a sufficient amount of temperature, this will be got, this is what, evaporated, this will got evaporated, ये क्या हो जाएगा, evaporate हो जाएगा, और evaporate हो करके वाटर क्या होगा, वाटर वेपर्स में कन्वर्टेड हो जाएगा, और रेस्ट मटेरियल जो बचेगा वो क्या है, ये रेस्ट मटेरियल क्या है, सॉल्ट है। अब यही सॉल्ट हमें मिल जाता है बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ व्हाट, इवेपोरेशन, बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ इवेपोरेशन। नेक्स्ट इज called as distillation. Next process called as distillation. Here is distillation, note it down. Distillation. What is this process known? What are the method? We can say it is the process by which a soluble solid is separated from the liquid by heating the solution and condense the vapors using cooling. First of all, it is the method of separation by which the soluble solid is method of separation, in which soluble solid is separated from liquid by heating and cooling suddenly, or you can say by heating the solution and condensing, by heating the solution and condensing by cooling. First of all, heating the solution and then condensing the vapors using cooling, condensing vapors using cooling, and the vapors using cooling tube. So this is method of a separation in which when the solution get heated, when they heating the solution and condensing the vapors, whatever the vapors is created. Suppose if there is a solution, suppose if there is a solution, it will heat up, and by heating this will produces what? The water vapors. This will produces water vapor. This vapor is cooled up. This vapor is cooled up by cooling tube. This one is cooled by cooling tube. Then it will be condensing. After we heated the solution, this will be the condensing. This will condense, and after getting condensing, there is condensed form of solid. ये condensed form मिल जाएगा हमें solid solution के form में. solid solution ये क्या हो जाएगा? अलग हो जाएगा. For what we have to do? It is the method that can be used. It is a method that can be used wherever where there is the both liquid have to be collected from its solution. Where there is both liquids are get collected in the solution. नेक्स्ट क्या है देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट है सेपरेशन ऑफ मिक्सचर बाय यूजिंग मोर देन वन मेथड. सेपरेशन ऑफ मिक्सचर by using more than one method. And what are these? What are the different type of the method is? The different method are the different methods are in the above activity we can have the separate salt, sand and water using process of decantation, filtration and evaporation as well as condensation. So for the separation of what? Separation of sand, salt, separation of sand, salt, sand and salt is used by decantation, sedimentation, evaporation and condensation. For separating the sand and salt, here are decantation, sedimentation, filtration. All these criteria are to be taken for separating these are. How it can be done? It can be done by very simple method. The first one is decantation. In the case of decantation, where there is insoluble impurities, which has to be collected by using the process of this impurities is collected by the process of decantation. What are these? When the impurities got settled, the upper liquid gets separated without disturbing the sediment. This one is called the process of decantation, and then after evaporation. If there is a solution which is already get removed, the rest of the amount will be here in the form of what?